curve quiz. What is Fuller well known for? A, being a scientist, B, inventing the chip for the computer, C, the geodesic dome, or D, creating Amazon's Alexa. If you said C, you are correct. The geodesic dome. Where did Fuller get his understanding from to build the dome? A, nature, B, books, C, studies, or D, modern-day architecture. If you said A, nature, you are correct. Question 3. What phrase did Fuller coin to describe the integral nature of Earth's living system? A, Dymaxion House, B, Spaceship Earth, C, Earth and its living things, or D, the Big Blue Dome. If you said B, Spaceship Earth, you are correct. Fuller looked at it as Earth was a spaceship and the astronauts are the living things that live on Earth. Question 4. You can find a geodesic dome in Florida. True or false? The answer is A, true. You can find it at Walt Disney World Epcot theme park. And the dome is called Spaceship Earth, and Walt Disney got the idea from Fuller. What did Fuller really want everyone to have? A, low-cost housing, B, three-wheeled cars, C, compact bathrooms, or D, small versions of Spaceship Earth. If you said A, low-cost housing, you are correct. This was the one invention he really wanted to succeed, and he continued fighting for it up until the day he died.